Excuse me, ma'am.
What happened?
Can you tell me your name?
Vanessa.
So your last name?
What you need to know my last name?
One way, cause one change you one day. So where you work? You look nice in your uniform and thing.
Work at call center, how about you?
You know say work at call center too? Yeah man, me go work at call center and make some money and go to school and thing, you know? Yeah man, so me broke like dog, me broke, yeah man, and me go start a little business and thing. Yeah man, if you go on a little date and mackerel go on yam. Yeah man, cause me broke like dog, yeah man, me broke. Yeah man, so which part you come from?
We come from Portmore, how about you?
Me come from Westmoreland, you know? Yeah man, me come from bush man, bush. Bush palm, bush. Pear bush me come from man, pear bush. Yeah man, pear bush, me shake a bush, me piece a bush and me eat a bush. Pear bush me come from, pear bush. Yeah man, so what you do after this?
Nothing really.
Yeah man, don't care about the date man and not eat and get to know each other and thing. What do you think about that?
Oh, alright.
What a beautiful couple. Hello guys, good evening. I am Sean. Welcome to the Legati restaurant, and what's your order today, guys?
So I would like the le corne de bife. That sounds foreign.
The beef. Okay, and you sir?
Yes, so I would like the le sardine irise.
Okay, le sardine irise. Okay, give us a moment, okay guys? Enjoy yourselves, alright, and be comfortable, alright? Okay. Why you look for me so? Love look for your eyes them, man. Your eyes them pretty like money. I wonder how food good taste. I never tried like carne de beef before. Yo man, them one can beef and rice and what sardine and rice. I
can beef and rice in just
make it quick, man.
No man, baby,
Don't worry man. Like carne de beef, man. Don't worry man, baby. I know can beef man, baby. Like carne de beef, man. Don't worry man.
Alrighty. Thank you guys so much for your patience, okay? Ma'am? Thank you. Sir?
Respect.
Sorry, excuse me, sir. No can beef and rice, this.
Ma'am, le carne de beef, ma'am. No corned beef and rice here, ma'am. Can't fool me, no? Me gone. Boy, General, I saw you go, yeah, man. Part-time game, bro.
Sure.
You have to still pay able, you know.
What?